Hello beautiful people and welcome back to another video. In today's video we'll be going over how you let your readers choose their own hairstyles. If you haven't watched the previous video where I cover how you let readers choose their skin color, please go back and watch that video because we're going in order here from skin color, hairstyles to clothes. Okay, so you can either follow along with the character that you've already created or you can create a new character. I'm going to select the character that I created in the skin tones video. So what we're going to do is go to modify profile. Okay, so because I'm using a new character, I don't have any current outfits here. What I'm going to suggest that you do is follow along and don't pick something you already have. It's going to be very confusing. Just start from scratch. So when it comes to letting your readers pick their own hairstyle, what you want to do is select partial. The only time that you select, hold on, let me go back. Okay, the only time you would select entire is when, for example, let's say there's a point in your story where the reader is attending a party or something and you already have an outfit selected for that scene. Then you would choose entire, you would create your outfit, and then at the point in the story you would go to apply that outfit to that particular character in that particular scene. So the main character will be dressed in what you picked instead of the previous clothes options that the reader picked. That's the only time where you really want to use entire, is if you want to control everything with the clothes. So for this video, for hairstyles particularly, we're going to go with partial. So now that we're on this screen, before you pick your hairstyle, what you want to do is deselect the outfit, any accessories your character already has on. Take all of that off, okay? Because it's gonna mess everything up. So just deselect their outfit. I don't know where his outfit is, so I'm just gonna click on one, click it again. That's how you deselect. You just click on it again, it's gone. Okay, so the character doesn't have on any accessories, but if he did, let's say he had on this necklace and I came over here, click it, take it off. Okay, now at this point, with your character doesn't have anything on, now you want to select his hairstyle. So I'm gonna do this 4 times to give the reader options, and I'm not gonna speed up the video, but that's what I'm gonna do, and you'll see that here. So I'm gonna make this hairstyle 1. If I can spell. This does help to keep oh my gosh, I can't spell. This does help, naming everything does help to keep everything in order, so I would highly suggest doing that. And then we're going to do the same thing again. Partial. And we're going to pick another hairstyle. And you can do as many of have as many options as you want. Actually, no, because you can only pick 4. So just do 4 for now. I think that's maxed out. Okay, so you see how his outfit came back? Take that off. Take that off. Okay, so now that you have your 4 hairstyles created, your screen should look exactly like mine. They should not have any clothes on. It should just be the hairstyles. So now we're going to go out and you're going to go into your chapter. Please ignore this. This was from my previous video where we did the skin tones. So whatever scene you want this choice to appear, go ahead and do add branch from that scene. And we're only able to make 4 choices, so go ahead and select all 4. Now by default, when you add a choice, you're always on text branch. We're going to do style branch for this choice. Style branch. Let me add a background just to get this out of the way. Okay. All right. Now, choice A was our hairstyle number 1. So just go ahead and name this. This is why I said naming it is going to be helpful. To keep everything organized. But of course you can name it however you want. I'm just doing this for the video to keep things simple. Okay, so now that you're on style branch, what you're gonna do from this point is select add outfit. The first line of gray boxes here, add outfit. Now, something to remember, okay? Never choose the default style. If you choose the default style, it's going to force the character into this entire style, including the hair and the clothes. So, like we made before, your hairstyle, 4 hairstyle options, go ahead and select number 1. And as you see, his clothes remain the same, but his hairstyle is now different. Follow those steps to fill out everything else. Okay, so once you have everything selected, what we're gonna do now, your screen over here should look like mine. You have your 4 hairstyle options. What you do not need to do is add a scene for each of these options. No, you only need to do that one time. To keep it simple, go with hairstyle 1, add a scene. Okay, now going back to this. Once you have your scene added underneath 1, for hairstyle 2, hairstyle 3, hairstyle 4, you need to select create link. And you're going to tie all of these into the scene beneath hairstyle 1. So what you're doing here is you're connecting them all together. Okay, all right, your screen should look like mine. This is the hairstyle branch. You have your 4 options, and then you're moving on to your next scene. So now we're going to preview it in game mode. So as you see, the hairstyles are all on. The outfit has not changed yet. And the only reason why my character changed is because we did the skin tone thing previously, and that's the skin tone that I picked. So let's go with this hairstyle, hairstyle 3. And as you can see, the hairstyle that we chose is on our character. So that has been another successful tutorial. Again, if you got confused or missed any steps, please go back and watch the video. For the next video, we're going to do the exact same steps, linking all the same, everything's the same, going to look like this. except it's going to be outfit choices. So be on the lookout for that, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Okay, so I decided to keep the clothes option portion in this video because it's literally the same steps as the hairstyle that we just went over. So I'm not going to talk much during this next portion until we get to the part about linking everything together. But basically, to have readers select their own outfits, again, you just need to go to modify profile, select partial, now this time instead of deselecting the clothes, you're going to do the opposite. You're going to deselect the hair. So essentially your character should be bald and they shouldn't have any accessories. So I'm going to do this 4 times to give the readers 4 options for the outfits, and then I'll be back. All right, so now that you have your clothes options selected, they should look like this. They should not have any hair or accessories. Okay? All right, so now we're going to go do the same thing as we did before. We're going to go back to our scene. Friendly reminder here, this is what we just did right here. Everything from choice 8 down. This is the hairstyle option. So we're going to jump right into the clothes option. And I already typed out some dialogue here. So we're going to add a branch, style branch. Always remember that, style branch. Let me throw on a background really quickly. Okay. And we just did 4 outfits. I'm just gonna go ahead and name these first. Okay, so once you have your outfits named, same thing as before, hit add outfit. Never select default, don't do that. And we're on the clothes option, so we're gonna go outfit 1, outfit 2, outfit 3, outfit 4. All right, so now that this is done, what I'm going to do now is create a very brief scene just to tie the whole thing together. So I'm going to go over the past 3 videos that I just did, starting off with skin tone, hair, and now our clothes option. Before I forget, go ahead and add scene. I almost forgot. Don't forget to link your outfit choices to the main scene. Okay, so now that we have everything complete, let's start all the way over from the beginning. And if you followed the steps from the last 2 videos of the hairstyle and skin tone, all of it should smoothly tie into one. So I'm going to switch to game mode and we're going to see how everything plays out. By the way, I also have a tutorial, I don't know if I've already posted it yet, going over how you allow readers to choose their name, like I just did. Okay, and let's continue. Oh, I forgot to edit that in the beginning. I meant this is the I forgot to edit that. This is the skin tone choice, not the hair. So ignore all of that. Right now we're doing appearance for the skin tone. Now let's choose your hairstyle. Now, of course, if you do, if you let readers choose their skin tone, please be mindful when you create the hairstyle that you create a hairstyle specifically for each race so that it looks good. Just to be dramatic for the video, let's go with the pink. Okay, now you see how everything is tying together smoothly? It's really important that you learn how to link things properly. Otherwise, if you don't know how to do that, it's gonna mess your whole story up. All right, so now we're on to the outfit choices, which is what we literally just did. And as you can see, his hair is still there. We're still an Asian man. It's outfit 1, outfit 2, outfit 3. And we're playing as the reader. We're in game mode, just a reminder. Let's be dramatic and go with outfit 4. Okay, so it's always best to, if you're gonna let readers have the freedom to choose their skin tone, hairstyle, and hair color, it's always best to put those options at the very beginning of the story versus in the middle. Otherwise things can get confusing. Okay, but here's a short scene that I created just showing you that if you did the steps correctly, all of the choices that the reader made thus far will stay the same. So as you can see, still got the hair we chose, still an Asian man, and he has the outfit that we chose. So pretty much from here you can finish creating your story. And again, the steps are the same if you want to introduce another clothes option for your reader. So if you don't do that, then this is the outfit that they'll be in for the rest of the story. But if you do decide that you want to allow them more choices later in the story, it's pretty much the same steps that we just went over. You can choose partial to allow them to change their hairstyle and change their outfits, or you can choose entire, where it's an outfit that you created and you want them to wear a specific top with a specific necklace, and you can do it that way as well. So hopefully these past couple of videos helped you. Please let me know what else you guys want to see, and thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.